You've got poise, you've got polish, laser straight in your aim. A salesman with purpose, but you're not just playing the game. That image caught your eye, didn't it? A man and his cat in a quiet little sit. But eyes reveal what words might hide. Your pupils widened, you can't deny. Now don't get nervous, I don't condemn. I only observe the truth in men. I don't ask what you are, not out loud. But the truth, dear Henry, floats like a cloud. I've got a role for someone keen, a touch of flair, a touch unseen. A golfer, yes, but with more to do. A pilot's precision that lives in you. Sign here and doors will open wide. Green fairways, blue skies, no need to hide. You'll swing a club, hit holes in one, and never again chase the setting sun. But one thing more, just one small speck. To fly at the school, there's a box to check. They want their flyers plainly straight. A detail, of course, a twist of fate. So here we sit, you and I, with truths half spoken and reasons why. What's one little thing to earn the sky? You just be a man with wings to fly. You're not the first to play along, to bend the truth in a world gone wrong. But if you say yes, then keep your vow to never tell what brought you now. It's not a lie if no one asks. It's not betrayal, it's just the mask. And if you wear